Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to try out a little dandruff hack to see if it really worked or not. If you struggle with dandruff, you know how embarrassing it can be, and I'm like super insecure about my dandruff, so I wanted to see if this little hack will work. Basically, I saw all over TikTok that people were using the ordinary glycolic acid toning solutions on their scalp to kind of like exfoliate it. And everyone's saying that it like got rid of their dandruff and they're like swearing by it, so I just want to test it out to see if it really works, and that's basically it. So I will insert the before, I'll show you how I applied it, and then I'll insert the after clip and let you know if it really worked or not. And before we start, we have to do a little comment of the week just to feature one of your comments and give you guys a little shout out. And guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Okay guys, so I am back with my review of using glycolic acid on my scalp for treating dandruff. Kobe's here. There she is. So I will insert the after clip, and basically looking at it, I feel like there's like children screaming outside. I feel like you can hear them. So I feel like it did work, but I feel like I do still have a little bit of dandruff. But since it was just my first time using it, I'm hoping that if I continue to use the glycolic acid on my scalp every week, then the dandruff will completely go away at one point. But after just the first time, I feel like it did get better, but it didn't like completely get rid of it, which is fine. If you guys have tried this before, let me know how your experience was, like long term and everything like that. But overall, I do think it did work, but like not completely. And I'm sure you have to continue using it maybe like once or twice a week for a while for it to work completely. But yeah, I do think that it's worth a try if you have dandruff, because maybe in the long run it'll like completely get rid of it. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what I should try out next. I want to do like a whole series on this channel where I just like try things. I feel like it'll be fun. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!